how to send Robux to friends. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Roblox account right here. So you can do this through your browser or through your Roblox app, doesn't matter. So the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the create section. So just click this create that is located right here. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to click the creations that is located on the left screen. So once you click creations, you will be able to see all of the experience that you have created in Roblox. So if you haven't created anything yet, all you have to do is to just create one. And then let's say, for example, that we want to use this one. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down right here until you see passes, which is right here under the monetization tab. So just click passes, and then you will see this create a pass. So what we want to do here is to click this, and then of course we're going to rename this Game Pass, or you can name it whatever you want, so it doesn't matter, it's up to you. And then once you're now done, the next thing that we need to do is to click create pass. So once you do that, you will now be able to create a Game Pass for this game. Now what we're going to do next is to click this, and then click on sales. Once you do that, you can now put the amount of the Robux on how many Robux does your friend want to send to you and vice versa. Let's say, for example, that we're going to send about 300 Robux. So what we're going to do is to click item for sale, and then for the price, let's put 300. So keep in mind that Roblox will take 30% of the 300 Robux right here, and you will only be able to keep the 70% of the 300 Robux that you have sent to your friends. So just click save changes. And then once it is done, all you have to do again is to click back to associated items, and then click this three dots on this part, and then click copy URL. Once you have copied your URL, all you have to do is to send it to your friend. Then they will now be able to buy the Game Pass, and then you will receive the 70% of the 300 Robux that you have just created. So that is basically it. That is how to send a Robux to a friend.